So how do you solve for this type of triangles? So as you can see in this drawing, there are two triangles. The first one is on top, triangle ADE, and the other triangle is the bigger triangle, triangle ABC, the big one. If you see an example of triangles like this, and you can see that the third side of those two triangles are parallel, it will make those two triangles proportional. Which means every corresponding parts or corresponding sides of those two triangles are proportional. Meaning to say, side AD of the smaller triangle is proportional to the side AB of the bigger triangle. On the other side, the side AE of the other triangle is proportional to the side AC of the bigger triangle. And in order to solve for the missing parts, we just have to create proportions. So in this figure, you can see that the missing value is EC. So let's label it X for a while. In order to solve it, let's just form a proportion between the two triangles. In this figure, AD, this part, is proportional to DB. Okay? And AE is proportional to EC. So we could form the proportion 9 over 18 is equal to 12 over X. And then we simply have to cross multiply the two. That will be 9x is equal to 18 times 12. 18 multiplied by 12 will give us 216. And we divide 216 by 9. The x will now be 24. Now, there is an easier way to solve this. The easier way is to just compare the lengths of the segments. As you can see, side AD there is 9 and DB is 18. So you just observe the pattern. 9 becomes 18. How do you make 9 become 18? Is you just multiply it by 2. Since they are proportional, it is logical to say that the other segment should also be multiplied by 2. And what is 12 times 2? That is 24. And that's the answer that we got a while ago. And using that logic, we can solve for the third part or for the third side of the triangle, which is side BC. But you should be very careful in this type of drawing. It is easily mistaken that the answer is 20 because they thought that since 9 and 18 are doubled and 12 and 24 are doubled, 10 should also be doubled. But if you look at it closely and compare the sides of the smaller triangle and the bigger triangle, the smaller triangle's side AD is 9. The side AB is now 27. So that is 9 plus 18. On the other side, we have AE plus, that is 12, plus EC, which is 24, which will become 36. That is the value of the side AC. And if you're going to observe the pattern, 9 becomes 27 and 12 becomes 36. It is just multiplied by 3. So the final answer for this triangle or for the side BC is 30, since 10 should also be multiplied by 3.